Hello, this is Easy Target with Eazydrones, and I'm coming back at you with another video. In this video, I'm just showing off my new mount. I just made some tweaks, made a little bit more camera angle, and then also I just wanted to show you my bad day flying out there with my new mount. Didn't have too good of a day, but check it out and see what you think. Thank you. This is Easy, and I'm out. Thanks for stopping by. This is Easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm out once again. Later.